G'day everyone, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing my first project that requires punched holes. So this should be pretty exciting and definitely a really essential and great technique to be using with blacksmithing. And as you may have seen by the title or thumbnail already, that project is going to be a bottle opener. Or even better, my first 3 of these bottle openers. So then you can see the progress that I've made throughout. And yeah, let's get into it. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe as always. I really appreciate the support, guys. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so for the first one, I'm really just trying to get my head around the punching and drifting process to try and establish the hole for the bottle opener. And unfortunately, since I don't have a Hardy or Pritchell hole, as you should see soon, I struggle quite a bit to get a clean punch the whole way through. just chopped this one off fairly short just to save stock, as I know it wasn't best. Second one, I changed a few techniques on and I got a good punching process. However, I went a bit too far with it while it was cold and I split the top out. And hence, I then tried to turn it into a bit of a deer head, which looks very weird. And that's what turned out. So on the third one here, I've learnt quite a lot by now. And I've kind of refined my punching process a bit more. And from the second one, I bolted down my vise, temporarily at least, and that allowed me to then open the jaws up enough that I could drift through that slot and create a clean hole. Okay, so there it is, my first 3 of these punch bottle openers, and I hope, as you could see, I did make a lot of progress. I learned a lot. There's a lot of challenges there, especially that second one was a bit interesting, but all in all I learned a lot, and I think by the third one I really started to refine my technique and process of making these, and I'd probably be happy to sell that third one, which I do plan on making some of these to sell. Something that I would change or maybe add is just a hole in the end of it for like a lanyard or something, which it wouldn't need it, but I think it kind of just adds a nice bit of technique, and I'd probably just drill that in there, as I think that'd be quicker and neater rather than trying to punch it. or at least the skill level and setup that I've got going, it would be. So yeah, as always guys, I really appreciate you guys watching this far. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.